I do not want to be associated with the channel, even though I am.
No rental car bandits here.
Yeah, I'll be like, I don't know what you're talking about. That's not. I'm like, oh, that is not my voice. Yeah, I've been up this way for a couple days.
Do you consider this your home course? I know yours is. You run it here and there.
I mean, I
put in L mode. Always put in L mode.
Always. Yeah, for love mode. Perfect.
Yeah. Some cars have S mode. This one will only give you love.
Actually, no. It's luxury mode too. Perfect.
And I literally didn't even get to test this. So it's going.
Just going and flying.
Yeah. It's pull the CVT. Ooh. Okay. Not very stable through bumps at all. You know.
Kimochi!
Okay.
or how Saggy Bear would say, Chamji.
Chamji.
Yep.
Straight up. I am not carrying speed well so far, but gotta keep it safe. Okay.
Okay, that's not too bad.
We did to put the tire pressure, so it's tuned a little bit towards oversteer to the best of our ability. Try not to like eat up the other lane. Jump. A smaller jump.
Perfection.
There we go. And then another one here. Yeah, it's oh wow. Yeah, I could push the brakes way more. This thing's light. Definitely don't understeer through that corner.
Dude, I hope the brakes keep catching up on.
Not on the uphill, maybe on the downhill. Luckily, these things don't fade as crazy like the stock Honda brakes. Alright. Yeah, CVT seems to be still doing very well.
Surprisingly.
Yeah, good shit. Good shit, Nissan.
I mean, we've test driven other ones. And
What the fuck is this? Alright.
I had to.
Ooh.
Nice.
But they all got caught stuck in traffic.
Like at the wrong time too.
Yeah.
At all turns.
Yeah, gotta
had to be a
mitigate that shit. Wow, still very...
Not bad, yeah.
Yeah, not bad.
And just the driver mod. The car will handle so much.
It can only handle so much, but this is a damn good car though. Let's go. Yeah, that's why I didn't want to scrub too much speed and things. So I was just going like more easy on the brakes, just to focus on my entry speeds. Went through there. No, I saw that there's no one there.
That's okay.
Fine. On those, you can choose that type of line.
Don't want to do tricks are for kids. It's okay.
Tricks are for children. All right. Yeah, blind corner. Can't really cut through there.
So that's a CVT still.
Yeah, Nissan did a very swell job on it. As I said, I gotta have some faith in these econo boxes. Oops. That was a bit more speed scrubbing than I anticipated. But we're still doing fine. Average MPG 20.
I forgive you.
Thank you.
How we Koreans would say it, no wallet.
No wallet.
Yeah.
This is what you'd be driving. You have no wallet. An Evo would be nice on the uphill. A 500 horsepower hill climb monster. What's that? Oh, God damn it. Okay. Got to brake for the crest that you don't know.
Or if you know, just run through it. Dude, it's a nacho corner.
Oh yeah. One of our guys, Nacho, crashed on the downhill. Not a car guy, just going way too ham. And as you see, look at this straightaway that you can build up the speed going downhill, especially. We're only going 6 miles per hour. Climbing 6.2 now.
Hey man, the CVT is okay. It's still revving at like 5,000-6,000.
Absolutely. Just straight through this. There's no corners as far as I know, right? Keep going?
Yes.
Okay.
It's not that bad.
Okay, yeah.
And then we're here at the top.
And time. Okay. Cool. Kind of just cool off to make it look like we're normal people. And do you want to take the downhill on this, or do you want to take all of those the other way around? Or battle some people?
Is that long?
I don't know. I guess I'll take the downhill so you can take your true home course uphill. Show people what's up.
That's fine.
Hello.
Hello, literally. Yeah. I wonder what you think.
You're like, oh, just some hooligan
blame them?
No. Usually it's like, you know, the sports cars get more respect. It's like, oh, these people bought a sports car to Hoon, so it's more okay. And then when you see some type of this car, there's like a little bit more disrespect.
I feel like the 4-cylinders, you know, that's where it's at with the cadence.
Indeed.
I think so.
Well, it also depends if you're doing high speed.
Dude, just throw a turbo in that bitch. It's okay.
You see. That's where you start blowing up.
Yeah, everything's turbo nowadays.
That's fine.
Yeah.
It's gonna blow up sometimes.
Dude, we need more drugs.
Hey, I think we do.
Who are you? Do you know who we need? We need deep sun.
Yeah, we do. Alright, there's no like there's usually no hazards, right? Like I know there's deer and stuff.
That's like hazard, really. Hazard, and then some turns are a little bit more. It's like a little more what you anticipate.
Okay, so like geometry hazards, which is, as a driver, that's up to me. I'm thinking more about like leaves and shit. Like we're good on.
No,
that.
the breeze. No, that's fine. That's fine.
Okay, wow. I literally couldn't see. I'm sorry. That killed a lot of the speed. But maybe that's just a safety thing, because I shouldn't be... Oh, brakes. Okay, wonderful. Excellent. I shouldn't be doing this for a trial anyways. Sometimes it'd be like that. Alright, downhill. No deer, please.
Oh, did we?
Yeah, we did.
Oh, did I? Didn't feel like 100.
Yeah, see, like this shit is like actually more stable than a WRX in some respects, or as stable, I should say, not more stable. I haven't driven this portion in a while. I'm gonna take it conservative.
So this is a J corner.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah, like literally, right? Yeah. Literally.
A little double apex, depending on how you take it.
Yep. But that corner I know definitely. This one and that one and this one, if you're going high speed.
Oh.
No, it's okay. You can pass them up. You can pass
Seriously.
Them. This is the only time that you.
Okay.
I believe.
Sorry, bro.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah, and then this is where. Dude, how the brakes?
They're good. They're holding.
They're holding?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, this is a good downhiller.
Was that an Uber car?
A what?
Was that an Uber car?
I have no idea.
I think so. Yeah, I saw that back. I was like, oh, it's an Uber. Dude, as an Uber driver, dude.
Dude, I absolutely would. Woo! Alright, testing the brakes. I mean, they're great, but they do fade a bit.
And then your miles per gallon went up.
Oh, I'm glad.
Yeah, fantastic. Dude, I smell the brakes.
Yep.
It literally smells like victory.
It smells like winners.
Ego tire, that is finest.
That's the thing, is like, the tires are the limitation. You know, like, I know brakes have to do this thing, especially on this sketch part. Oh, fuck, okay. I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to really brake on this.
No, you have to. Yeah, that's a nasty one.
Yeah, and brakes are actually fading. We're going to chill before doing the next session on the next road. Because this is the first time I faded these. Wow. This is our spec race car.
Dude, I see the outside, dude. It's fucking glowing.
Yeah.
I literally see it, dude. Like, literally, definition of Rihanna, man.
Shine bright like a diamond.
Like,
Yeah.
literally.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, shit. Dude, are you the reason why Smokey the Bear died?
Yeah, he said only you can prevent forest fires.
Yeah, literally. You cause them with your brakes, man.
Sorry, Callie.
His name's really Steve, right?
Is it?
No.
Steve.
Steve.
Smokey Steve.
Yeah, Smokey Steve.
What? Okay, there's like one more corner down there, huh? fucking straightaway that I despise with everything. Okay, early break, not worth. I love having a great time trial, but you have to think, is life worth it?
No.
No.
Because the car's not worth it. If it was like a legit sports car,
This is a legit sports car. As Rental Car Bandit, you should agree with that notion.
oh, for sure, yeah, dude, you maximize your car.
Right.
Never your commuters, ever.
I am gonna have to blast through and come back.
Yeah, that's fine. Just give it time.
And time. Alright, sweet.
That's fine.
Cool.
Brakes are legitly, dude. I see their fucking red. Oh my god!
Hopefully they're not on fire. I don't think they are. I still went conservative, given everything that could have happened.
That could have happened, no, for sure.
And
There was only one sketch corner going up, and that's it, really.
Yeah.
But that's it. That wasn't that bad.
alright.
Dude, did I see the glow?